Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the Pace website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pace.ac.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pace website, from which if you wish to log into your employee account, click on Pace ERP at the top right corner. You will now find the employee as well as the student login section. In order to log into your employee account, choose the login portal in the left side. Type in the username that you have set while creating your account within the username box and then type in your account password underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account on the Pace website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Contact Us option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials from the support team. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Pace HR platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.